There's even more in the water. We'll be coming up really close now, look.
I wouldn't bring them any further than there because of the
Dogs and stuff.
yeah.
Well, there's 2 males there. I can't see 2 females. So I wonder whether one of the females is... Yeah, but there's definitely that family from before. The ones, the bigger ones here are definitely the month-olds, aren't they?
Yeah.
And then the littler ones are the...
And then the
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's more, you know. Hmm? You can tell the males, look, you can start to see the male baby ones. Got the dark heads. There, look.